Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rana Muhammad Kashfi and you are watching my YouTube channel Positive People Commission. In today's video, we will learn how to freeze cells in Excel and how to view a data sheet efficiently in Microsoft Excel. So what we will do, I have this data sheet downloaded from UN Population Division website, and I have this. So the problem with this sheet is that when I move around, I lose some important information. Now I don't know what is on the left side of this sheet. So what I want that I want to move around in the sheet, but I want to remain these columns fixed as I move around in the sheet. So how to do this in Excel? We can do it within Excel using freeze panes. So for this, what number of cells do we want? We want columns behind I to be freezed. So we will go to view, select freeze panes and select freeze panes. And now if I move around in the sheet, you can see that these columns are fixed, and now I can fully examine the data sheet, and I can look into the data sheet more efficiently as I was doing previously. So you see that it is very helpful. I just have to drag it back and wrap that text so that it is visible. And if I want to remove this freeze panes, I will just have to go to the view button again and press unfreeze. So it has been unfreeze now. If I want only to fix a certain column or first column, I will go to freeze panes and select freeze first column. So the first column will be freezed only. There are also some useful features. Just unfreeze it. If I have more than one Excel sheet opened and I just want to hide this one, I will press hide and it will be gone. And if I go to my Excel sheet which was already opened, I go to view again and press unhide, it would ask me to select the workbook. So it appeared again. And if I want to split this sheet, I would select a certain cell and press split. It would split the sheet. And if I scroll down, these are two different sheets and it's a different way of looking at the data. Okay, and if I press view side by side, I can view two sheets side by side. The first one is this one and the second one is this. I can look these two sheets side by side, and if I press down arrow key, both sheets will move around. You can see this clearly. I'm just in this sheet is active, but actually it's moving in both ways. So you see these are some simple ways how we can freeze cells in Microsoft Excel. So I'm pretty hopeful that you have learned from this video how to freeze panes or how to freeze cells in Microsoft Excel.